If you are looking to join the rapidly expanding number of leading manufacturers using aPriori to improve their product profitability, sustainability, and manufacturability, you start by simply uploading your 3D CAD model into the Manufacturing Insights platform. After choosing from a list of manufacturing process groups, a digital factory, and an annual volume for production, you are ready to get insights into cost, carbon, and DFM. In seconds, after a full manufacturing simulation, we get design guidance, based on a combination of best practices and the specific capabilities of manufacturing facilities. This allows the design to be right the first time, accelerating your time to market, and reducing the back and forth so often required with suppliers. We can also dive deeper and look at the time and cost of each operation, as well as a full breakdown of fully burdened cost, which can be used to drive further reductions during design or leveraged for fact-based negotiations downstream. We can then start to make data-driven decisions earlier in design by tracking changes to a scenario or comparing different ones, altering the design, the material, the manufacturing process, or the chosen supplier or region in each one. We can then take this to the next level of automation by leveraging aPriori's bulk analysis and upload a complete project of 3D CAD assemblies. Or go fully automated and integrate manufacturing insights into your PLM system. Everything evaluated on the Manufacturing Insights platform can be viewed from a much higher level too. Using the inbuilt analytics, we can build dashboards and reports to help us identify opportunities for innovation, applying precious resources on the most impactful areas, reducing risks and focusing efforts, or use the data for strategic sourcing decisions. On top of all that, scenarios can be shared with key project stakeholders, enabling in-context collaboration with full traceability, removing the need to schedule time for experts to review designs, getting more profitable, sustainable, manufacturable designs to market faster than ever before.